Power can be concentrated in iron and steel, and in iron ore, in which condition they're called magnetic. And these substances, if poised as needles, will assume the line of polarity of the force, or its poles. The power of the force in the atmosphere is what combines oxygen and hydrogen, and the ensuing explosion creates thunder. And if an iron wire is extended up in the air, such as a lightning rod, it forms a negative center to which the power flies quickly, following it down into the moisture of the earth, where it dissipates. If you take the iron wire and power is charged at one end, it manifests at the other end, which we call electricity. In a similar manner, the force of the earth constantly charges the earth with its power in the east and west, and manifests in the northern pole of the force in flames of fire, which we call borealis. But it sometimes happens over high mountains that the light is manifested in other directions. When power is manifested in flames of fire, it's called electricity, but when it lies dormant, as in iron, it is called magnetism. Where two physical substances are rubbed quickly together, friction and heat result. This is a manifestation of the force. In the beginning of the Earth's force, the current concentrated certain substances in the center, whereby friction, the power of the force manifested in heat, so that when the congregation of materials of the Earth's substance were together, they were as a molten mass of fire. And for a long period of time after the fire disappeared, two great lights manifested, one in the north and one in the south. Were the Earth a central planet like the Sun, the light would have been all around, in which case it would have been called a photosphere. By the Vortexian power was the Earth first formed as a ball of fire. By the same power is the warmth of the surface of the Earth manufactured to this day. Think not that heat comes from the sun to the earth. Heat comes not from the sun to the earth, of which matter the ancients believed that all things came from the sun. Physical substance as such has no power in any direction whatsoever.